Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting to essentials: power cycle headset, linkbox, and PC, because many stream failures clear instantly. Next, verify the USB and display port/HDMI connection. If you have a spare high-speed cable, swap it to rule out a cable fault. Once done, open Steam VR and record any error messages. These tell you whether the problem is driver, network, or app-related. Also make sure competing VR runtimes or remote access tools are closed, so Steam VR can take control of devices. Now focus on the core: drivers and software settings. Update your GPU drivers and ensure Steam VR is on the current stable release, because mismatches often break streaming. Then open Steam VR settings and reduce render resolution or disable reprojection temporarily to test performance. This narrows whether it's bandwidth or encoding. Make sure Windows privacy settings allow capture, and that firewall or background capture apps aren't blocking Steam VR. If you're using wireless streaming, verify both devices are on the same 5 GHz network and close bandwidth-heavy apps. Finish by validating each change. Run Steam VR Room Setup and do a complete reboot of headset and PC so settings apply cleanly. Then perform a controlled test. Try streaming a simple scene or use another PC/headset if available, so you can isolate whether the fault is hardware or configuration. Once you confirm stability, incrementally re-enable features you disabled. If problems persist, inspect Steam VR logs for repeated errors and reset Steam VR to defaults as a last step. This often clears corrupted settings that block streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.